We were participating in a robotics competition, and then their challenge was the hydrodynamics. How we can use we can use the water better, how we can use in our daily life. And then one of our math teachers, they have a water heater issues. And then this one is like a starting point for our students' journey. Why the water heaters, they have issues, or what kind of innovation we can do.
I wanted to help our math teacher. I was like, this could be a good thing. I learned that there's so many different types of water heaters, like the tankless water heater was cool to listen to, and the water heater that didn't have metal in it.
Visiting the Rheem here, it was really open-eye moment for us too. Seeing just a simple appliance which is in our home, having that much innovation. And then I'm so glad to see the laboratories and then research and development facilities here. Rheem, it is right behind in our backyard. It is really an eye-opening moment for us, for our students too.
Here was super cool, just seeing the inside of the water heaters and all the wiring. I'd seen the inside of the water heater for our project, but here there were so many different types you could look at and so many different things to learn about.
The point of the students, show the system how it is working, how the Rheem is working, how the team is working. As a school, we try to prepare our students for the 21st century. What we see in the Rheem, you have a really awesome team for the innovation and then working, and then seeing this one as a role model. And then when they see it, coming and then seeing these facilities, it is motivating them. And then their future, if they want to go to engineering school and then part of one of the innovation company like Rheem, this one is the moment for us.
I don't know what I want to be exactly, probably something in engineering, and Rheem would be really cool to work at.